I could get, I'm just gonna get straight into it. So look right here, people, DIY. So Brazil quarter screw basically is pretty much flush like the tire, but you know what I mean, my eagle eye caught it the other day in the garage. I'm like, wait a minute, I got a screw. You know what I mean? So what I did, what I always wanted to do, I bought a plug kit, you know what I mean? So I went to AutoZone, this is the only one they had, you know what I mean? I got something from basically Amazon, or basically I got it from Slime. So I'm gonna go through it real quick because this is the first time I'm doing it, even though it's, you know, I missed the DIY, so it really ain't gonna be that hard. So, but this is the first time really I'm doing it. I'm used to going to tire shops, $15 they charge for the plug, you know what I mean, take it out, bang, bang, bang. But you know what, I wanted to do it with y'all so I can encourage y'all to actually do it yourself. If you got a home or garage, you park on the street, keep this in your car. Sometimes you never know, it may save a life. All right, so point blank, you know what I mean, they got instructions how to plug, right? So basically what it's telling you, it says remove the puncture object from your tire, which that's that, right? It's telling you to slide this tool in, basically, right? Puncture the hole, right? Next, it's telling you to basically use this right here with the plug, right? Put some glue in between the middle, you know what I mean? Right, so after you get to that part, as I just said, right now, after that, you're gonna push it in, right, to a certain point, which is a certain point right here, right? Then you're gonna pull it out, right? So let me see what it says, you know what I'm saying? It said put it in 2/3 of the way in the hole. All right, copy that, you know what I mean? Pull the plug or tool straight out of your tire with a rapid motion, leaving the tire plug behind. Do not twist. So I just gotta basically pull it out and do not twist. Put air in it, easy peasy. And the last thing they forgot to tell you is to get a blade basically and cut. Do I have a blade on me? Damn, that's crazy. I don't think I have a blade. You got a blade? Nobody got a blade. Damn. All right, people, I don't know if I got a blade. Hold on, man. We be right back, man. I gotta check to see if I got a blade. All right, but I'm about to pregame this, people. Let's open this up right here. This shot gave me like a little bag or something off this pouch, but maybe if I spend a couple of more dollars, they maybe would've. So you know what? I'm gonna open it like this, and then I'm gonna put a piece of tape on that joint, tape it back. I mean, so we got this. So as I said, I'm just gonna really just kind of pregame what I need to do. You know what I mean? Because it's like, just imagine you on the road and it's happening, you in the dark, you don't got no time to play around. You don't got no time to think about it. You don't got time to read no instructions. It's either you gonna go on Google to see how to do this, or you just basically gonna do it. And this joint is sticky as hell. Yo, this shit sound like a piece of sheesh. So basically, I guess you gotta put this in here, right? That's what they said, right? You gotta put it in here. Like it ain't going in that easy. I thought this shit I made it a little bit skinnier. So just imagine I was stranded in the dark, right? And I had to do this. I had to put it in here like you put in there like a needle. Needle and thread. Should I made it smaller? Should I made it easier? Basically, even Steven look like a cross, right? Boom. So now, what I'm gonna do is just, as instruction says, put it in like that, remove plug from its clearing back in, then thread it halfway in, so which I did, I threaded it halfway in. All right, so I got to that part already, right? Let's pregame the glue. Let's see if the glue now. Basically, let's do a glue test to see if I got a glue test. All right, so the glue's white, easy peasy. So actually, I really could pregame the glue right now too. You know what I mean? This is just pre-gaming the whole thing before it happened, people. So it basically said put it in. It ain't gonna dry, you bugging. How you gonna dry? It's not like crazy glue. Nah, it don't make a difference. We about to do the process now, so as I said, I'm just pre-gaming it for the video. So basically, you put glue, center part. Don't want to be stingy because we want to plug this up. Surprised they ain't say put glue on the damn whole thing. Alright, so this look like enough glue. You know what I mean? Alright, so as I said, I'm gonna rest it right here. That's cool. Right? And then the last thing I need to do, right, is just take it out, plug it up, and get some business. You know what I mean? The poker. So what I'm gonna do, they got better tools in this, but see how it's coming out real easy? Alright. So basically, oh man, I want to show my subject. Where my subject went?
Oh, it's right here.
Where? Alright, so see right here? This was my screw. It wasn't nothing too long, it didn't go all the way in, but still, the little guy could have made some damage. You know what I mean? So, damn right, I'm still gonna plug it up. I'm gonna put that in here, right? Got my poker. Right, we're going right in, same spot. People, same spot. Because I don't trust what's going on. And it's not going all the way in, but it's going in, I guess, far enough to me. So that's as far as I got, people. It's right here. Right? Now, it's going with Mr. Plug. You hear the air weeping, right? And let's see how this works. This thing is hard, people. It's kind of hard. Oh yeah, let's go. Guess I ain't poking it far enough with the poker. What you think? Alright, let's pull it out. Let's see. Huh?
That sounds good, man. Reverse,
I don't know, right? Let's see, people. It's supposed to go in, that's why. Put more glue. So I said it's the first time for everything. Don't judge me. Just put some more glue here. Alright, let's take this out now. plug in. Ooh. Plug is tight, people. It's kind of hard. Must be doing something wrong here. All right, we be right back with you people.